Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay identity verification. First of all you have to do is open your iPhone settings. Once the settings has been opened, you have to scroll down a bit. From here you will see Wallet and Apple Pay. You have to click on it. On this section, on this page, you will see Apple Cash. You have to click on Apple Cash. It will ask you to verify your identity. So you have to tap on continue. From here, it will ask you about your legal first name and your legal last name. You have to enter your name and then click on next on the top right corner. And then it will ask you to enter your street information. Basically, it will ask you about where you live and enter your address information along with the zip code. Once you've entered your address information, all you have to do is click on next on the top right corner. On the last step, it will ask you about your SSN or social security number, the last 4 digits of your SSN, and then you have to enter your date of birth. And then finally you have to click on or tap on the next button on the top right corner and you will be verified. Your application will be sent to the Apple servers and you will be verified with the Apple Pay Cash. So that's how you can fix your Apple Pay identity verification. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.